Happy 10th anniversary!
It's lovely to be here at Roehampton Club for the Women's Enterprise Day.
The organisers of today have done a fantastic job bringing so many women together, fantastic speakers, great lunch.
Each year it's got better and better from strength to strength. It's really nice to see some of the ladies who started up as startups and now are established business and winning awards.
You'll see all these wonderful ladies' names and businesses that they are created.
And I'm very happy to be here amongst so many inspirational, wonderful women.
And especially those who won the Women's Enterprise Awards.
I feel so invigorated and I feel so blessed to make so many connections.
I just felt quite empowered.
It's so lovely to have so many positive, like-minded women in one place.
Really inspired by the collective feeling and enthusiasm for women, the support.
And it warms my heart to see the frequent flyers, the women that have been coming year after year.
This is my third year at the event. I love making friends, getting to know other businesses in the area.
I actually came here on the first one.
There are always great speakers.
I really enjoyed Viv's Grossett's talk.
Got loads in the workshops and I feel really fired up to go and grow my business.
I'm on the panel today to discuss my journey. It'll be really interesting to hear questions from all these incredible women to try and give them some support.
One person asked a question about having imposter syndrome and I think the feedback that was given was really great.
It's been really inspiring hearing different people's stories, especially Karen Millen.
I've met some amazing people here and I just want to encourage everyone to keep going.
I literally loved when Karen was sharing her journey.
She was really inspirational, really honest, really just one of us.
So inspiring.
Just felt really good to know Wandsworth is kind of doing this event for women.
All women need to be at this event next year.
And I'm wishing for this event to continue for at least an extra 10 years.